Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we will be discussing qualities of successful entrepreneurs. Prior to that, let's revise what we have studied into the last lecture. Yes, we have gone through the concept of entrepreneur, in which we have studied the meaning of entrepreneur. With that, in the last lecture, we have classified the different types of entrepreneur. So, qualities of successful entrepreneur, what quality means all about. Quality is a distinctive attribute or characteristics possessed by someone. Now, what makes entrepreneurs successful in their venture? Different experts, they have identified a number of qualities of successful entrepreneur. Some of these qualities have been described below. There has been always efforts to search out what makes an entrepreneur a different person. Considering this, we will highlight some of the qualities of successful entrepreneurs or some of the attributes which the personality of entrepreneur should be possessing. The first one is ambition. Successful entrepreneurs have high ambitions about their venture. They want to achieve a high goal in business. Due to this high ambition or high achievement motive, they are able to overcome the obstacles in their business. They turn misfortunes into fortunes, suppress anxieties, and find out new ways and means. Now, whenever we think about the entrepreneur, they have a high need for achievement, which is primarily psychological drive that motivates an entrepreneur. There are certain wants or desires within an individual that always motivates his behavior towards accomplishment of the goals which he has laid down while establishing the business. Entrepreneurs always think about unthinkable things and make those unthinkable things into a reality. Entrepreneurs, they always strive harder to bring their dreams into reality. So, whenever we consider an individual who wants to become an entrepreneur, he should be highly ambitious. He should be able to convert his ambitions, his dream into reality. Then only he can be a successful entrepreneur. The second quality of successful entrepreneur is self-confidence. What is self-confidence all about? Successful entrepreneurs have confidence in their skills and abilities. They are sure about success in their business. They do not hesitate to launch new products. They expand and diversify their business. They are confident of overcoming any problem and survive in the adverse conditions also. Now, this person, this individual who wants to be a successful entrepreneur, what he should be doing? He should first of all be having self-confidence. Means he should first realize his skills, his abilities, his distinctive feature, whichever is there into his attribute, whichever attribute is there into his personality. Now, whenever we consider this entrepreneurs, they should know their strong points. They should know how to overcome the weaknesses which are there into his personality. They should always be keen to grasp the opportunity and convert that into strength. Next quality of successful entrepreneur is foresight. The successful entrepreneurs have a good foresight. They forecast the future business environment, that is, how will be the likes and dislikes of the customers, what will be the state of technology, and prepare a plan of action accordingly. Foresight helps them to cope up with future environment effectively and always stay ahead of others in the industry. Now, whenever we consider Ratan Tata started manufacturing of customer cars consumer cars after anticipating a sharp decline in the demand of heavy commercial vehicles. Now, this person, that is the individual who wants to be a successful entrepreneur, who has incepted or initiated the business, or who has initiated the enterprise, always he should be able to estimate the future. He should always predetermine the changes or so called the opportunities which he can convert into strength. So this ability, this forecasting ability should be there into his personality. Due to this attribute itself, he can be a successful entrepreneur. Then hard work. If the entrepreneurs desire to succeed in their enterprise, they should be prepared to work hard. They should work untiredly for hours together, and they should be ready to do any kind of work in their business. They should always remember that hard work fetches good fruits. Now, this ability, hardworking ability, why it is needed? Yes, even though the entrepreneurs they work for hours long, still they should not get tired. Means what? If they think that there is an opportunity, then they should always work on it. If they think that there is certain uncertainty, if there is certain risk, there is certain challenge, or there can be some changes in the near future, then they should be keen to see the changes, and as per that they should be able to adapt their enterprise. Yes, this is possible only due to hard working. Continuously, they should take efforts, or they should consistently take efforts, work harder for making their enterprise better, best in all times. If they think that they should be a step ahead from their competitors, then surely hard working is never opted. Next quality of successful entrepreneur is emotional balance. There are always ups and downs in the business. Sometimes you make profit, on other times you incur loss. But if you wish to succeed in business, you should control emotions. Successful entrepreneurs neither get carried away due to huge profit nor lose their hearts due to heavy loss. They maintain emotional balance. They treat these situations as normal features of business and remain calm and quiet. Now, whenever we think about our enterprise, at the initial stage, many of the time, the business has a risk, that is suffering losses. Means even though the entrepreneur he takes efforts, even though he takes a he consistently engages himself into the activities related to the enterprise, still due to some reasons he may suffer loss. Now if the entrepreneur is repeatedly suffering losses, still he should not get himself deprived, he should not get himself pull off from the goal whichever he is dreaming about. So whenever we think about the emotional balance, there can be ups and downs in the business, still he should never deprive himself, he should never get demotivated due to this. Because whenever we think about the enterprise, whenever we think about the risk which is associated with the enterprise, someday that person will be suffering losses, someday he will be gaining profit. In both the situations, whether loss or profit, he should never whenever he is repeatedly gaining profit, he should never fly, it should never make him fly. And whenever he thinks about repeated losses, it should never deprive him from his objective. So consistently taking efforts and balancing his emotions itself is an attribute which the entrepreneur must be having into his personality. Then, decision making ability. Yes, the successful entrepreneurs have a good decision making ability. They make decisions promptly and accurately. The decision making ability helps them to solve the business problems satisfactorily and exploit the opportunities. Decision making is an important function of entrepreneur. Now, whenever we think about this decision making attribute, which should always be there into the personality of entrepreneur, yes, whenever we think about the enterprise, from right from the inception itself throughout the development of the business, the entrepreneur is supposed to finalize many decisions at various stages. Now, right from the decision of nature of the product or the type of good which he will be producing into his enterprise, till the location of the business, the capital, and other such type of decisions, he is required to take it timely. Timely decision make Timely decision making is very important in business, and the decision making should always be guided by principle of rationality. So, the successful entrepreneur, they should be good at decision making ability. Then another attribute which should be always be there into the entrepreneurs or the individual who want to become successful, that is the courtesy. The successful entrepreneurs deal with the customers, vendors, employees, government officials, and the general public in a courteous manner. Courtesy and modesty leads them to success. Now, whenever we think about the entrepreneurs, they should be courteous. They should be having a calm personality whenever they deal with the peoples, whenever they deal with the stakeholders of their enterprise. At that time, they should be always um, be having those soft skills. They should be having softness into their communication. So, courtesy is one of the attribute, is one of the quality which should be there into the personality of entrepreneur if he wants to be a successful one. Another one is communication skill. Communication skill is another important quality of successful entrepreneurs. With good communication skill, entrepreneurs are able to convince effectively their ideas, thoughts, and job requirements to the employees and get the work done in a better manner. Yes, then another attribute is the communication skill. He should be fluent in communication. He should be having effective communication. He should be having that ability to deal with the customers who have different behavior pattern. He should be effective in dealing with the employees who are a part of his enterprise. He should be able to convince the stakeholders. He should be able to convince the other stakeholders, the supplier of raw materials, that is the creditors. He should be able to deal tactfully with the financial institutions. He should be able to tackle other competitors. So, through the effective communication skill itself, he can overcome the challenges into his path. Another quality is good character. The character of an entrepreneur has become an important quality in modern times or in the modern business. Today, no enterprise can survive for a long time by following unethical and fraudulent practices. Character is a result of cultural values. So, whenever we consider the character of that entrepreneur, he should be person who follows a right track. He should look after the code of conduct. He should always be looking at the ethical practices which are prevailing in the society. For targeting the customer or for growing his business, he should not adopt something which is bad or unethical, which is not accepted by the society. So, yes, it is a dream of the entrepreneur to be successful. It is a dream of the entrepreneur to expand his business. But whenever he is thinking about expansion of the business, or whenever he is thinking about expanding his business to new market, or if he wants to progress or develop his business, yes, all the practices whichever he adopts, it should be right ones. Next quality of successful entrepreneur is motivational ability. The successful entrepreneurs have the ability to motivate the employees. They can extract best work from them and achieve high goals. Motivational ability is also required for getting the expected response from the customers, vendors, and government. For example, whenever we think about the successful entrepreneur, we can consider Ratan Tata, who ably motivated the vendors to supply components at a lower price for producing or manufacturing the nanocar project. Now, whenever we think about this entrepreneur, he should be having motivational ability, means he himself should be self motivated. This is one thing. Next, he should motivate the employees who are a part of his enterprise, because unless until these people work for him in a proper manner or a good manner, surely the production activity will never be completed. He should motivate the laborers who are working in the factory. He should motivate the customers who are a part of his enterprise, who purchase his product. He should motivate them to repurchase it. He should motivate them to keep brand loyalty. So this person, first of all, he should be self motivated, and he should always positively motivate all those people who are associated with his enterprise. The next quality is opportunist. The successful entrepreneurs are opportunist. They seek opportunities and exploit them. They convert problems into opportunities. So, whenever they think that there is a challenge, there is a problem, this person, by using his creativity, his innovation, and due to his forecasting ability, due to his strong thinking, he should always be able to convert problems, those challenges, those hurdles or obstacles or barriers which come into his path into opportunities, into strength of his business. Any challenges which comes into his path, he should be able to convert that into the strong points of his enterprise, and due to that itself he can be successful once. Then it is patience. The successful entrepreneurs have lot of patience. They are not affected by adverse situations like temporary failure, low consumer response, labor problems, etc. They continue to work hard and do not run away from the business. They are confident of achieving success after some initial period. Now, at the initial stage, many of the time, the entrepreneurs, they may suffer loss. Repeatedly, they may suffer loss for 2 or 3 years also. But in this 2 or 3 years, this person, he should never get demotivated. He should always be patient. He should control his emotions. He should motivate his employees to work harder. He himself should be self motivated for that purpose. And this only is possible whenever he will be patient. So, these were some of the qualities of entrepreneurs. In excess to this person, that is the entrepreneur, he should be having the ability of initiation. He should start something. He should be creative. Successful entrepreneurs are innovative and creative into their task. They do new things. They manufacture new things, new goods. They highlight new sources of materials. They adopt new methods of production. They do not invent new things but use these inventions for producing new goods and services. In excess to this, the entrepreneurs, he pursues opportunities for profitable investment. He explores the prospects of starting such a manufacturing enterprise. He obtains necessary permissions. He arranges initial capital. He provides personal guarantee. He promises to meet the shortfalls in the capital. He supplies technical know-how. But all these things they are possible only when he has certain qualities into him. The attributes which are present into his personality always guide him to be a successful entrepreneur. With this, we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.